In today's video, I will teach you how to rotate images in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and open your project or start a new one by selecting File, then Open to load the image that you want to rotate. In the Layers panel on the right, click on the layer containing the image that you want to rotate. If you want to rotate the entire image, ensure that the correct layer is selected. Now navigate to Edit, then Free Transform, or simply press Ctrl-T or Command-T, and a bounding box with handles will appear around the selected layer or image. Now we're finally going to rotate the image. Move your cursor slightly outside one of the corners of the bounding box until it changes into a curved double arrow icon. Then you can now click and drag to rotate the image to the desired angle. And if you want to rotate the image by a precise angle, look at the top toolbar after entering Free Transform mode. Then enter the desired rotation angle in degrees in the Angle field. Then press Enter or Return to confirm the rotation, or click the check mark in the top toolbar. If you're not satisfied with the rotation, press Escape or click the Cancel icon in the top toolbar to undo the transformation. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your work. To keep the rotated image within your project, save it as a PSD by selecting File, then Save as PSD. And if you're finished and want to save the rotated image, go to File, then Export As, then choose the preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And now you've successfully rotated your image in Photopea. Whether you needed a subtle adjustment or a complete 180-degree flip, these steps should cover all your rotation needs. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.